I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to change your security settings on Mint Mobile, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Access the Mint Mobile app. Open the Mint Mobile app on your smartphone. This is where you can manage your account settings easily. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Easherrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find and tap on the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account management options. Step 4. Select Security Settings. In the Account section, look for Security Settings. This is where you can adjust your security preferences, like enabling two-factor authentication. Step 5. Save your changes. After making the desired changes, be sure to save your settings. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you forget this step, your changes won't take effect. I hope this guide helps you navigate your Mint Mobile security settings with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.